and this is a space for artists, poets, musicians, artists of all kinds to try things out. Some people have performed before, some people haven't. Some people are trying new ideas, some people have done this 1,000 times. So just please listen carefully. And yes, thank you so much everyone for coming. Welcome to Tavern.
You can see the flame inside of me begin to grow, shining brighter than it has ever before. And I know you know why my smile has widened and why I'm feeling more me. When in reality I'm just a child of parents who feared what they couldn't understand, and a society that rejected me for not sticking to their plans.
This job is something sometimes. I went on a sugar daddy date once. I was working as a waitress in a bar/restaurant. I would come in on the weekends after pulling an all-nighter, keying a pick-a-mix bag full of drugs and dancing to minimal meets new wave meets hi-fi, low wave techno.
I am existentially tranquilized by little things that look nice on the shelf. I come home and I find crooks and crannies to fill, and then I sit on my sofa and I admire my multi-textured living room. My mother, she grew up in Prague, and while she was at school, my grandmother would go into her room with a black bin bag and decide what she deemed was no longer needed. My mother would come home to find little treasures gone forever, a note written from a friend, a reassuring but very worn jumper, a nostalgic toy she wanted to keep hold of.
Try the